to glitterguns.com. This is a website we created to make everything about glitter guns easier for you. On our homepage, you can see quite a bit of information by scrolling down, and at the bottom, you will see, the usual browser helps that are right here down at the bottom in this area. A lot of the tabs and pages can be found down there. One of the coolest features of our Glitter Guns website is our price and color options tool. This page was created very specifically with you in mind. When we first started doing glitter guns, a lot of the requests that we had were for, what does this color look like with this? And tell me about this color option. So what we did was we created a tool where you can literally click through and see what the different options actually look like on a firearm. Some of our most popular guns, or actually our most popular to this date, is our rose gold option, which is very pretty, but you can also see our viral Tactical option here. And you'll see that the gun actually changes on the screen as you go through and choose your selections. One of the neat things about this too is it shows you the different price points. And if you should choose that this is the coating that you want, all you need to do is go ahead and click purchase. And it will take you over to our Hesseling & Sons website where you can add this to your cart by clicking buy now. Now, the coatings that you find on the Glitter Guns website are just that, they're coatings. This is not the actual firearm. The firearm is not included. So you can also check and see leopard. There you go, there's your price point for leopard. And let's go to frozen, because that's a little bit different as well. And the one with the gun candy slide or frame with the glitter coat. And you can just see your price points. And then when you click purchase, it takes you over to our Hesseling & Sons website where you can simply add that to the cart. While you're on the Hesseling & Sons website, if you do not have a handgun, you're going to want to go search handguns. So you would want to go, let's say, semi-automatic. And then you can choose the handgun from our inventory to have the coating applied to. So let's say you wanted it on a Glock. You can search through your options for Glock simply by going there. Then that'll filter out and show you your Glock options. For example, if you want it on, let's say, a Glock 48, you can go choose the Glock 48. You can click buy now and add that item to your cart as well. So when you go to your cart, what you'll see, well, we've added a few extras here, but if you wanted the gun candy option with the glitter coated slide on the Glock 48, this is what your cart's going to look like, and then you simply go through your checkout process. Let's go back to Glitter Guns for a second here. So, oops, went to the wrong one. There we go. So when we are on the Glitter Guns with a Z website, glittergunz.com, you can also mix and match, which this is where the real fun starts to happen. Because let's say you want Pixie's, another one of our really popular guns. So let's say Pixie Glitter Slide. Let's say you want the frame to stay black, so we're going to, under Cerakote frame, we're going to just leave no frame. And then we're going to add, let's see what it would look like with, there's pink sherbet controls. The picture changes for you as you go through. And then you can even add a Pixie Glitter Slide. Let's go to the bottom here. Pixie Glitter Mag. There we go. Another option would be, let's say we don't want a black frame because the frames come standard as black. Let's say you decided you wanted a Stormtrooper white slide, or excuse me, not slide, frame. There you can see what that would look like. Or you can say, maybe I want a Galaxy. We're not saying everything looks good together, but we are saying that you have that option. So there I've chosen our Daisy frame. I can then add, maybe I don't want it to be pink, maybe I want it to be red. And then I can go and also change those controls, which would be your trigger and your control buttons. And I can change those to red hot. And then I would simply go and change this to red hot glitter as well. So another one of our really popular frames is Tactical. And all I have to do is choose the tactile option right there. You can see what that looks like. And then all you're going to do is click purchase. It'll take you over to our website where you can make that selection. You would click buy now and add it to your cart. Then you would want to, if you want to have, this is only for the slide and the frame. So if you wanted those other options added on, we would go back to the Glitter Guns portion of the website. We would click add. So there's your controls. Click buy now. Go back to Glitter Guns. I have too many tabs open. And then for your mag, you would click there and again, add that to your cart. Let's go check out our cart. So in our cart, we have a few extra things right now. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that one. So if we wanted a Glock 48 with the tactile print frame with a glitter slide, we would add that. That's with your choice of color. So that's if it's more than one color project, and then your controls and your glitter mag plate. One thing that you do need to pay attention to is that when you add these, it doesn't automatically tell us in the system what color you want them. So there's a note section that you can type information into, and you want to type your information into the notes to tell us what it is that you want for those colors. And one of the things we do as well is we reach out to you to make sure we're doing the project exactly the way you would want it before we actually coat your firearm. So that's the information on playing with our mix and match tool, which you can literally have it be any way that you would like. Twilight glitter with tactile has been very popular, and you can choose that you want your controls done or not. So no controls, and then whatever, purples. This helps you to be able to customize your firearm to exactly your specifications, exactly the way that you would want. The top bar are standard selections, and then the bottom is that mix and match that lets you be in control of what you want your firearm to look like for total full customization options. So let's go back up here for a second. I want to show you a few more options here on the Glitter Guns website. For out-of-state shipping, whether you are shipping your firearm to us or whether or not we are shipping a brand new one to you, this kind of outlines that for you. So our out-of-state shipping, if you're purchasing from us, that information is right here for you. Yes, we do ship. If you are sending in just your slide to be customized, that information is here on that page. And then if you are sending your entire firearm into us to be customized, we are a manufacturer. It is perfectly legal for you to ship your firearm to us. The good news is we can ship it directly back to you if you've already owned the firearm. So that information is here. And then if you prefer to ship it through your local gun store, we have that information on here as well. Up here at the top, you'll notice if you're purchasing a new gun from us, yes, it is legal to purchase a new gun from us, and we can ship it to where you are. However, it must be transferred to a licensed FFL because you have not done the paperwork yet to own that gun. So the paperwork is completed at your local dealer. If you are a resident of Ohio, yes, you can come visit our showroom and you can take it home with you. If you are not a resident of Ohio, handguns must be transferred to your state of residency. We have a few more things on this website here for you. We've got our gallery, which we do categorize these by collections. So the metallics are our rose gold, our silvers, our twilights, lux, shrapnel, black cherry, red hot, champagne. A lot of options there for you in that collection. And then color shifts as well as the holographics. The holographics radiate the rainbow as light hits them, which is kind of a neat effect. And then we also have our prints. We can customize anything. Your budget and your imagination are our only restrictions, but if it's something that we've never done before, sometimes there is a proof fee, so just get in touch with us and we're happy to walk you through that. If you happen to be a dealer watching this and you're interested in having glitter guns in your store or offering these to your customer base, all you need to do is go there to the dealer portal that we have created under the Find Out More, and then send a request here on this page, and then we will get in touch with you to find out if you qualify to be a dealer with our store. About these tabs here at the top, Hesseling & Sons, which is hesselings.com, which is our primary website, tells you a little bit more about us, has our announcements page and also our gallery. This shows off a lot more than just the glitter guns that we can do. It shows off our other Cerakote projects, as well as some of the laser engraving work that we've done. And then of course your glitter guns options. And then you can come back to glitter guns. And that'll be right there. If you do happen to go to our online store, which is the Hesseling & Sons shopping site, this is where all of the transactions are where they all go through. All of that will be right here for you, and you can search everything that's available on our website, including ammunition and even, yes, glitter guns. These will always be the completed projects that you'll find on this tab. If you see a project and it's these here at the top, these are projects that are completed on guns. Any semi-automatic handgun can be a glitter gun. We are not limited to Glocks or Smith & Wessons or Tauruses. If you want your Kimber done, or if you're looking for more like a Springfield, absolutely no problem. Any semi-automatic handgun can be a glitter gun. And then you'll see the codes that are also on here that kind of outline, and if it says coating only, then literally that means it is only the coating. So you are not getting a firearm with that. Please read the descriptions. For example, where this says firearm not included, this is only the cost of the coating. If you do not own a firearm, let's see where it is here, coating only, firearm not included. If you do not own a firearm already or plan to purchase one, this link will not buy a gun. It only buys the option to have the coating. Flip back to glitter guns for us. I have too many tabs open. There we go. So this will also get you through our frequently asked questions, which some of those are usually, about shipping. A lot of times we get questions about the durability of the coating. It is extraordinarily durable, more durable than just standard Cerakote itself. Care instructions and all sorts of other information here. So this is this page here. The customizing page is the one that we see a lot of activity on. This is the one that's just really a lot of fun to go in and play with. So go ahead and have fun. Play with our tools that we've created for you so that you can mix and match and create your own custom design. Or just choose one of the ones that we've already put together for you. That's completely up to you. But this way you get to actually see the color options and have an idea of what it's going to look like on a firearm. Okay. And then if you're again looking for just our standard options, you want to find our in-stock inventory, all you're going to do is go there and then click see inventory. And that'll take you over to where our completed projects are so that you can choose the firearm that you would like. Again, that is going to be at Glitter Guns, glittergunz.com. And if you have any questions, always feel free to reach out to us. We're available by phone during our business hours, Messenger, as well as by email. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions and we can help with anything, let us know.